Here, open this guy up. Here. Oopsie. Whoops. Okay. What is it? What is it?
Is that another car, buddy?
Uh-huh. What do you think?
That's my mom.
Show this away. Okay, let me turn your car on. Come here. Turn it on for you.
And Peppa.
Okay, watch.
I'll put my cousin. Hey, Mom. The fish.
What do you think?
What?
Do you like them?
So that's.
I'm
You got those away.
Let me see that one.
Oh,
Kitty
No,
kid.
no, I
you got those away.
Kitty kid. Here, like $2.
I bet they
Whoa!
lost the remote or something.
Cool. What do you think? Do you like it? What do you say?
Thank you.
Say thanks, Mom and Dad.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. I love my mom.
See, I love my presents.
I love my nugget.
You want another present? Okay, how about this one?
Open it, Mom. Open it, Mom.
You do it.
Open it, Mom.
You do it.
Open it. Open it. Open it, please, Mom.
Okay.
Look it, Mom. Look it. Look it. Look it, Mom.
Here, pull it out. What is it? Cars, what? Is it a puzzle?
Open it, Mom.
It's a puzzle. We can do it later, okay? Okay, you get one more present right now to open. Set them on the ground.
Good to go.
I thought it did. I don't know how. Here, Boone. Here, Boone. Here's another present. Maybe it needs more battery. Here, Boone. Look. Here, Boone. Bud. Here's another toy. Open it up. See what's in there.
Open it, Mom.
You can do it. I opened it for you, so just keep pulling on it. See what's in there.
Open it, Mom.
What is it?
What's it?
Let me see.
Wow.
What's it?
What is it?
What's it, Mom?
Look at it like this. Look. What is it now?
What's it now, Mom?
What's it called?
What's it called?
You know what that is.
You know. Tell me. Do you like those cars? Are they awesome? Come tell me. Come say, Mom, I love them. They're awesome.
I like them.
You like them or love them?
I love them.
Say, I love them. They're awesome. And thank you.
Thank you.
Look at me. Look at Mommy and say, I love my presents. Thank you, Mom. And Daddy. And Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. I can't see your face, Mr. Pooh. Happy birthday, dear Boone. Whoa. Boone, look at Mommy and do your biggest cheese ever, and I'll give you another present. Wait, you gotta look at me. Look at me and say it.